found it while searching for student-friendly websites. This website has pre-K all the way through 6th grade plus. When you first go to the website, it shows all the grade levels just like this. You can click on your grade level. I teach 2nd grade, so I'll just go there. It'll show you the Common Core standards. You can click on letters, numbers, holiday, strategy, and skill. When you scroll down, there's featured, and then it goes into the letter games are orange. There's all these letter games. Then it goes into math games, holiday games, and strategy games, some skill games, painting, 5 senses, make a mask, that's a cute one, make a pizza, all the way through. So you could challenge students that are working ahead. You could have them work on the next grade up. You could have students that need help with some other lower skills, vice versa, go back and work on something that they might be having difficulty with. This would be great to let students play on. I'm not really sure, I didn't create an account for this one yet. I'm not really sure if you create an account for a kid. I don't think you have to. I think you can just click on the games and play them. So let's try it. I'll click on just this one right here. Comes up with some ads. Yeah, see, I didn't have to log in or anything. I'm just cute. You can turn it upside down. Interesting. Children can practice. Okay, so that is ABC. Yeah, all sorts of stuff to look at.